Hi friends, in this video I would show you what is this auto display refresh rate, how to use it, how this works. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go to display, go to display refresh rate. So first set display refresh rate to auto. Okay, done. Then close it. Then again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to about phone, go down, tap on device identifiers. Here you can see build number. On build number we need to tap 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back, tap on system, then tap on developer options. Under developer options, go down and find debugging session. See, under debugging session we can find show refresh rate. Enable show refresh rate. So now we can see current refresh rate here on top left corner. Then close this. See, now we can see the current refresh rate is keep changing. You can see 60, 90, 120. So that is a auto or variable refresh rate. So let me go to display, go to display refresh rate. So see, here I have selected auto or variable refresh rate. That is why this is changing. It shows 60, 120, 90. See, so let me change this to 60. So now I forcefully set 60 hertz display refresh rate. After that, let me do some operations. See, it's not changing. So this way we can forcefully set display refresh rate to 60 or 120. If you select auto, you can see it automatically changing. It's automatically switching to 60, 90, 120. So that is the auto display refresh rate or variable refresh rate. So now I think you understand what is this auto display refresh rate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.